afternoon mga palangga. So, we're going out.
Marigolds on.
Just outside.
Put your marigolds on, your hands will be cold.
Oh. Iwa-washing ko yung sasakyan ko. Ito yung pinaka-first ever bath ng ating baby. Charot. Naglilinis kasi ng car si Jan. So, sabi ko sa kanya na, okay, I will clean my car as well. Kailangan nating maglagay ng marigold kasi sabi niya maginaw daw sa labas. At kailangan nating mag-wheelie boots. Sana ba yung jacket ko dito? Tapos na yung winashing ko. Nag-washing ako kanina kasi yung mga laundry talaga umaapaw sa basket. Oh, it's freezing. Oh, I need my key. What I am thinking. I got the key. Ito yung spare key. Yung key kasi na ginagamit ko na sa bag ko. And it's too hassle to take this off. I don't know if I am able to drive with my Wellington. We'll see. Lagay ko kayo muna dyan, ha? Nakaya namang mag-drive gamit yung Wellington natin. Yeah, I think I'm alright. Yes, girls? See, yung baby natin sobrang dumi na niya. Power wash?
Just scratch your stuff off it first and get it wet so it comes up.
Okay.
Because the problem doing is you're coming further over.
Sabi niya, natutulungan lang daw niya ako sa roof and then I'll do the rest. Which is fair naman. Ginaw sa labas.
Can you put the logbook in that door here, darling?
Okay. So ngayon mga palangga, piniprepare ko yung tea ni Jan. He's having beef casserole. Onion is my enemy.
No problem, mate.
Does it not bother you?
No, I used to. When I used to do cooking at school, used to, but now it doesn't bother me. Because you know I'm not cutting your head off the top of it.
Why? Why does it not bother you?
No idea. There's your cookie, darling.
Thank you. Ay.
Mind your fingers. And here's that.
So, gigisahin ko lang to onion.
God, better. Oh.
What? You forgot to put sugar?
Well,
Canderel?
Canderel, yeah.
I hope you did not put canderel
No.
in my coffee.
You soon scream if I did. No.
No,
It's
not
because
yet.
I filled coffee jar and disconnected me.
Soft na yung onion natin. So, ilalagay ko na yung ating beef. So, ngayon naman, lalagyan ko siya ng asin and pepper. And halo-haloin. Then, lalagyan natin siya ng hot water. Then, lalagyan natin siya ng isang beef cubes. So, hihintayin lang natin na lumambot yung meat. Time here is 2:22 ng hapon. So, plenty of time. Normally naman talaga nagluluto tayo ng about 4 o'clock. Hihinaan lang natin yung apoy. Yan. And then, hopefully later, yung meat natin sobrang tender na niya. Yung carrots, ilalagay ko siya maya-maya. Oh. Naku naman, uy. We'll light the fire. Kasi yung temperature, 16 degrees. I-check natin yung ating niluto. Four o'clock na dito. Nakalimutan kong ilagay yung carrots natin. It looks very tender. Right, ilalagay ko muna yung carrots, ha? Titikman ko muna. Konting asin lang. Konting pepper. Lalagyan ko siya ng basil. Basil at rosemary. Ito. Kaunting rosemary. Basil. Titikman natin mamaya ulit. Then, lalakasan lang natin yung apoy. Yan. And, mag-big potato din tayo. Yung mga potato sa ating sako, yung sa sako natin, yung iba, sobrang soft na nila. Ilalagay natin siya sa microwave as usual. Titikman natin ulit. Susubukan natin yung meat natin to see if it is tender. Oh. It's so tender. Ouch. Yung fire alarm namin, nag-set off siya. Oh, nawala. Sometimes yung fire alarm namin nagsiset off siya if nakalimutan kong i-turn on yung exhaust fan namin. Sakit sa tainga. At least, kung may fire, it will wake you up. Ngayon naman, yung beef stew natin, lalagyan natin siya ng pesto. Mali pala yung ginawa ko. Tingnan nyo, yung besto natin, namumuo yung besto natin. Dapat sana dinasolve ko muna siya sa hot water before ko siya nilagay dito. Ito naman, error. Namumuo talaga yung besto natin. I'm trying to get the besto out. Iba kasi yung gravy na ginamit ko. What a mess. Sabi dito, cold water lang pala siya. I-mix din tapos ihahalo natin siya sa beef stew. Ako naman talaga. Try again. Tingnan nyo yung beef stew natin. May mga itim-itim dyan. Yan yung beef stew na namuo kanina. Honey? Tea is ready.
I've got some new lights. Drinky.
Yeah.
Needs to be the drinky.
Look, overflowing. You spelt it. So, kain muna kami mga palangga.
The next day.
Honey bae, I'm going.
Bye.
It's very windy outside. Yeah. I need a bag for the apple and red cabbage.
It's not cold out, but
When it's not cold out.
it's going to be very rainy soon.
I'm just gonna peel this
No,
off.
leave it.
Honey, I don't want them to see that
It's
the
10-month-old.
that it's 10-month-old. That's what you said.
Oh well. Well, I'm going to be late now.
That's it.
And watch out for debris in the road.
I need to wash my hands because
Come on,
look, I got purple.
Dally.
Right, I'm going
Right.
since you want me to go anyway.
Oh, I don't want you to be late.
Plenty of time.
Yeah.
Can you hear the wind?
No.
It's howling. Okay. Okay now. Bye.
Right.
Bye.
Don't run over anything.
Alright, mga palangga, I'm going. See you later! Nasa bahay na tayo, mga palangga. Yung sasakyan, it is exactly 100 miles. Ito siya, oh. Yan, 100 miles. Wala dito si Mr. Nag-clip pigeon shooting siya. The house is very quiet. Manonood muna ako ng TV. Chillax muna. And then, I need to do some revision. Kasi may exam na naman ako ulit. Hay! Naku naman. Buhay. Nandito na si Mr. Yung ulan, mga palangga. Sobrang lakas. At yung hangin. Such a bad weather today. Kadadating lang ni Mr. sa bahay, aalis siya ulit. Pupunta lang siya ng pub kasama yung mga kaibigan niya. Tinanong niya ako na if kung gusto ko ba daw sumama. Sabi ko no, because my diet will be ruined. Gagamitin niya yung sasakyan ko. Ito na yung tea ko. Yan. Ito, noodles with green beans, egg, and meron akong sausawan dito. Meron din tayong orange juice and tubig. I've been very, very, very good for drinking water. So, yeah. We will carry on drinking water para naman talaga ma-healthy tayo, diba? Hindi na nga tayo healthy. Daragdagan pa yung hindi pag-inom ng tubig. So, aalis tayo, mga palangga. May pupuntahan lang kami. Well, actually, Jan will have to show me the way kasi kailangan kong pumunta sa isang place ngayong Friday. And he's trying to take me there, show me the way. And so, on Friday, I can drive myself. Medyo malayo kasi siya. Come on now! At ako yung driver, mga palangga. Akala ko ito, at first, nung nakita ko to, akala ko cup siya, libreng cup ba? Hindi pala. Pero para siyang cup, diba? Oh! Hey! Natatanggal! But I don't think so this is a cup. It just look like a cup. Ewan ko kung anong purpose yan. We are here in Dunelm. We're looking for a pillow. Oh, I like this. I like the color of this.
That's for bed.
Yeah.
12 quid, look.
They have a lot of sales. 20% off. Oh my god, just for a pillow. 56 pounds.
Crazy, isn't it?
Oh my goodness. I think I will go with this. 10 pounds.
Yeah, what is it? What's in it? Just check it out first then before you go.
We found it. It's a Dorma pillow. Yung price niya, it was 18 pounds and now naging 14 pounds and 40 pence. Are you sure with this now? Is it final?
See, if this was me, I'd be having 2 of those.
It's up to you, sweetheart.
No, that's better for thinking because it's more memory.
Right, okay then.
What is it?
I don't like a feather pillow, so yung kinuha ko lang is, what is this? What's inside it? What's inside it, sweetheart?
It says it there, 100% silver.
Thread count.
No.
It's a thread count, it says. 230 thread count. 100% cotton cover.
Cover.
Yeah, for the cover, it's a
And
cotton.
fibre.
And a fiber. Yeah, it's a thread count. What is it?
No dupe.
Nandito na kami sa bahay. Hindi na talaga ako nakapag-film kasi ako yung nagdadrive at si Mr. ayaw naman niyang mag-film. So, wala. So, anyway, pumunta kami ng post office para bumili kami ng broccoli. Kasi, mag-chop suey tayo mamaya. And, pumunta kami sa Sports Direct to buy an aqua shoes. Ito. This is for Mr. and this is for me. Ita-try on ko lang yung aqua shoes ko without my socks. Kasi nung trinay ko to, I have my socks. Please! Ito pala, it's only 8 pounds and 50 pence. Kasi sabi ni Mr. mag-a-island hopping daw kami. So, ayun. Kailangan ko ng aqua shoes. It looks okay. It feels comfy.
The thing is, if you have them on, then you know, if you stood on an urchin or something like that, it's not going to do you any harm, is it?
I know. Where's the pillow?
There.
Right. Stand up. Why are you closing the curtains?
Oh, it's a decent light. Oh, it's preparing myself.
Is it okay if I gonna?
Oh, darling, do you not know how to open that?
No.
Oh, here. No, no.
Oh, I thought you cannot.
It should be, isn't it? You're not a splitter. Oh, it's not, is it? No, is it? They're normally splitters then.
Yeah, this is it. It's not a splitter.
They're normally just split in half then. It's just sealed right along there, isn't it? Look. Go like that then.
Be careful. Oi! Right, I think I can sleep better now. Oh, this smells new. You have a smell.
Keep forgetting.
Why you keep closing the
Because
curtain?
I'm getting undressed. I don't want anybody looking at me. They might get scared.
It feels comfy.